Welcome back to Machines Visit. Today, we're diving into 10 cutting-edge machines and revolutionary technologies that are completely changing the way modern farming gets done. Some of these machines are so advanced that they almost seem like something from the future, but they're already working in fields right now. And trust us, the closer we get to number one, the more unbelievable these machines become. So make sure you stick around until the very end. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Let's kick things off with a machine that's quietly transforming one of farming's most time-consuming jobs. The Krone Bale Collect is far more than a simple bale collector. It works directly behind the baler, allowing both machines to operate together as one efficient system. Instead of stopping every few minutes to organize bales, this intelligent machine automatically gathers up to 3 square bales, each around 80 centimeters wide, while the tractor keeps moving without interruption. But that's only part of the story. The Bale Collect is engineered to make tight turns with ease, travel safely on public roads, and maximize productivity with a telescopic drawbar that extends the entire unit by as much as 3 meters. The result is faster harvesting, less downtime, and significantly greater efficiency throughout the entire operation. Now let's move on to a machine that proves raw horsepower means nothing without precision. Meet the Krone Big M450CR, a self-propelled mower powered by an incredible 449 horsepower Liebherr engine. This massive machine delivers exceptional cutting performance while maintaining outstanding maneuverability and nearly perfect weight distribution, allowing it to tackle huge workloads with remarkable control. Its heavy-duty cutter bar is equipped with the SafeCut blade protection system, helping prevent costly damage if unexpected obstacles are encountered. Whether it's working across large open fields, steep hillsides, or rough and uneven ground, this mower is built to perform where many others begin to struggle. Next comes a harvesting giant that has earned its reputation by delivering outstanding performance when every minute counts. The Claas Lexion 8900, together with the Lexion 8700 and 8800 models, represents one of the most advanced combine harvester series available today. Equipped with the powerful APS Synflow hybrid threshing system, these machines are designed to process enormous amounts of crop while maintaining exceptional harvesting quality. Among the lineup, the Lexion 8900 stands out with its more powerful engine and optimized processing technology, allowing it to achieve even higher productivity in demanding harvesting conditions. Despite its enormous output, it remains impressively cost-efficient and consistently delivers reliable performance regardless of changing field conditions. If you think that's impressive, the next machine pushes the limits of what a tractor can actually do. The CLAAS Xerion 5000 is a 4-wheel drive powerhouse producing between 435 and 530 horsepower. Designed to reduce operating time, lower overall costs, and improve productivity, it combines incredible pulling power with road speeds of up to 31 miles per hour, allowing operators to transport more material in less time. Its advanced 4-wheel steering system provides outstanding handling, even while pulling extremely heavy loads. The elevated cab position offers excellent visibility, while the semi-active cab suspension keeps operators comfortable during long working hours. Even more surprising, despite its enormous size and power, the Xerion delivers approximately 5.2% better fuel economy than many tractors in its class. Next up is a machine that may look simple at first glance, but its precision technology makes an enormous difference where it matters most: planting. The Kuhn Sidera 3030E integrated mechanical seed drill is designed for accurate, consistent planting under a wide range of field conditions. It supports Suffolk coulters, double-disc coulters, and SeedFlex seeding units, giving farmers the flexibility to match different crops and soil types with ease. Using the Isobis CCI terminal, operators can manage every important function from one central control system. Seeding depth can be adjusted continuously, while the forward position hopper, balanced weight distribution, and excellent field visibility combine to make planting faster, easier, and far more efficient. If you're searching for a fast, efficient and budget-friendly way to move hay bales, the Anderson RBM Pro 2000 round bale carrier deserves a serious look. At first glance, it may seem like just another bale mover, But once it gets to work, it's easy to understand why so many farmers rely on it. This self-loading machine is built to handle wrapped round bales up to 5 feet in diameter with remarkable speed. Even more impressively, it can transport between 14 and 20 bales in a single load, dramatically reducing the number of trips across the field. Less driving, less fuel, and more work completed in less time. It's a simple formula that delivers impressive results. Now let's take a look at a machine that solves a problem many operators simply accept as unavoidable. The SB3255 from Mill Stack Manufacturing approaches bale handling in a completely different way. Instead of forcing operators to drive across the field or drag bales into position, its specially designed side clamp grabs each bale exactly where the baler leaves it. That small change saves valuable time while preventing unnecessary damage to both the field and the crop. As soon as the clamp grips the bale, it lifts it cleanly off the ground, greatly reducing dirt, rocks, and other debris that would normally become trapped during handling. A fully adjustable spring-loaded bumper accommodates 3x3, 3x4, and 4x4 square bales, while rolling forks keep every bale securely in place, creating a tight, stable, and perfectly aligned stack that's ready for transport. But the next machine raises the bar once again by combining enormous strength with operator comfort. Powered by a 9-liter Cummins high-efficiency intercooled turbo diesel engine, the Stinger Stacker 6500 produces an incredible 320 horsepower and 1,250 pound-feet of torque. That kind of power allows this self-propelled stacking wagon to move up to 12 bales at once, making heavy lifting look almost effortless. However, brute force isn't its only advantage. The Stinger 6500 also features an ergonomically designed Sears suspension seat, UV-blocking tinted windows, and intuitive controls that make long working days far less exhausting. Its heavy-duty chassis is constructed from high-tensile steel, while OEM-certified drivetrain components ensure long-term durability and reliability. It's a machine engineered not just for today's farms, but for the future of large-scale agriculture. Not every harvesting machine needs overwhelming power. Sometimes, precision is what protects the harvest. The Grimm Rexer 620 sugar beet harvester is built around a simple philosophy. Be as gentle as possible, but as aggressive as necessary. That careful balance allows it to harvest sugar beets efficiently while minimizing crop damage and preserving valuable yield. Using driven Opel wheels, the machine carefully lifts each sugar beet from the soil before transferring it into a highly efficient cleaning system. The crop then travels across the full working width through specially designed cleaning webs and DLG award-winning cleaning rollers that remove soil while treating the beets with exceptional care. By reducing losses during both digging and cleaning, the Rexer 620 helps farmers recover more of the crop they've worked so hard to produce. Finally, let's finish with a compact machine that's capable of far more than its size suggests. The Ventrac 4500 compact tractor is a true multi-purpose workhorse engineered for professionals who need maximum versatility. By combining intelligent all-wheel drive, the unique Ventrac FlexFrame articulation system, and powerful engine options, it delivers outstanding stability, traction, and control across a wide variety of terrain. Its real advantage, however, is flexibility. With support for a wide range of attachments, the Ventrac 4500 quickly transforms from one specialized machine into another, allowing operators to tackle mowing, landscaping, snow removal, material handling, and countless other tasks with a single platform. For professionals who demand year-round performance, it's one of the most adaptable compact tractors available. And that wraps up today's countdown of incredible machines that are redefining modern agriculture. Which one impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.